Good morning. I am Mohanpriya, Assistant Professor, Department of AML. Uh, Today we are going to see about decision making or conditional statement in C. Conditional statement that allows you to make a decision based upon the result of your conditions. The statements are called as conditional statement or decision making statement. Usually, decision making statement are the statement that are used to verify a given condition and decide whether a block of statements get executed or not based on the conditions result. The flowchart of the decision making or condition statement is first we enter into a condition. If the condition is true means we have to execute a conditional code. If the condition is false means we have to come out of the statement. This is decision making. Usually the condition statement have four main topic. One is if statement, another one is if else statement, nested if else statement and else if statement. Apart from this we have a go to statement and switch operators. If statement in C. In if statement we have a lot of subdivisions. It is used to make a decision based on the condition. The if statement verifies the given conditions and decide whether the block of statements are executed or not based on the condition result. In a P statement we have four types of if statement. First one is simple if statement, second is if else, nested if else, third if else if statement. First if statement. A simple if means if you have conditions, if the condition is true means we have execute a block of statements, otherwise come out of the loop. That is here we have a simple program. In after main function we have declare the function. We have data types and variables int n. Print we have enter the integer number. In scanf we get that number. In a condition we have if statement n modulus of I equal to 0. So if the modulus value is given, the statement belongs to if. So the output is first we enter the value as some modular divided by 5 digit number divided by 5. I have to give 25 means the value of it is divisible by 5, so the statement does not belong to if. The process returned to 0. Execution it is referred as if statement. Next then if else statement. In if else statement we have two options. One is first condition has to be executed based on the result of true or false. Then if either true means it have some block of statement. If you have a false means it have some block of statement. Then come back to normal statement. First if of conditions in syntax of the if else condition means first we have a keyword as if and say in bracket we have conditions. If the condition is true means true block statement is executed. If the condition is false means else statement else block of statement is executed. Here we have one small example program for even and odd numbers. Here we have after header files the function is declared and we have a n value. N is declared as a data types and variables. Here we have get one number as an integer number. If the n modulus of 2 means equal to 0, the given number is even. If it gives any remainder means it represented as a odd number. So output we have to first give 7 means it checked by by divisible by 2 is it can have a remainder value, then it is represented as odd number. If the value given as 18 means there is no remainder value while divisible by 2, so it represents as a even number. And the thing is if the value getting the if the value get the remainder means it represented as an odd number, or else part we have a 0 means it is represented as a even number. nested if statement. Nested if statement means writing if statement inside another if statement is called as nested if statement. The nested if statement can be defined by using any combination of simple if and if else statement. Here the small syntax we have, first we have a if keyword and condition 1 is given, then again if keyword condition 2 is given. If that statement is true means true block statement is executed, or if that statement is false means else part, we come back to else part and false block condition is executed. Here we have a example program with we first we have in condition we get the number, and after that we have to check the number is even or odd by using this if nested if condition. First here in program, after the header files global declaration data types declaration, we have to come as first if statement n less than or 100. If the condition true means we come back to get the number. If by divisible by 2 it is equal to 0 means it is a even number, or in else part if modulus of 2 means the given number is it have a remainder value means it represented as odd number. Without this in else part we have another printf statement, given number is not below 100. If the condition is not satisfied means it directly come to final else statement. If the condition true means go to the if statement, and he have to execute either this if statement or else statement. After that only come back to else statement. Here the output for the example, first is the given integer number as 75, checking the condition is true means go back to another inside the if statement. It is divisible by 2 means it have a modulus value, remainder value, so it represents as an odd number. If the value we return as 200 means the number is the condition is false, so directly it doesn't get any execution of the inside if statement, directly came back to last else statement, and it represent given number is not below 100. Finally, the if-else if statement is represented as if-else later statement. Writing if statement inside else of an if statement is called if-else if statement. It can be defined by using combination of both simple if and else if statement. Here the syntax is, if we have to first write the condition, true block statement is executable, or else means else if I have a condition and the false block condition of 1 is or 2 is executable. For example, here we have a small example for finding the largest 3 numbers. Check whether the number is first. If we take the first number means we have to check with the second and third number. If we have second number is we have to check with the first and third number. If third number we get means we don't need to check with anything, because the first two condition has to checking the number is either greater or lesser. By coming to third statement we easily decide which one is largest number. Here we get the value of 3 from ABC by using printf and scanf. First we have to, in condition, if condition, we check two condition. First A greater than or equal to B, ampersand A greater than or equal to C. So if the number is greater means we have to print the A is the largest number. If case it is not, condition is locked means we come to else if statement. Here we have to check the whether condition is B greater than or equal to A, and A greater than or equal to C. If the value means if the condition is true means B is the greatest number. If this statement also false means we finally came back the C is the largest number. For example, output we have given 10, 20, 30 means first we check with first number. A is 10 greater than B means 20. Yes, and then 10 greater than or equal to, see the condition is false, so it come to the next statement, then condition it again check with b value 20 greater than or equal to 10 and 20 greater than or equal to 30. So it again it false means finally it returned as 30 is the largest number, third, so it print as a the third value as a largest statement. It is known as the simple example for